Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have an exercise like on screen. So this equation, the half equation is 3 power x squared equal 9 power x plus 4. Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my video from begin to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now don't spend my time. We go to the solution together. The equation is 3 powers x squared. And so this equation have this, the basic is 9. This I can write it 3 squares all powers x plus 4. So if we use the rule, we have a power m or power n is equal a power m and multiply n. And now this we get 3 power x squared is equal 3 power 2 multiply x plus 4. And so this is equal 3 power x squared equals 3 power 2h and plus 8. And now this have 3, the basic is the same. So this we get h squared is equal to 8 and plus 8. And now I change to h plus 8 from the right hand side to the left hand side. So now I get right it's h squared minus 2h and minus 8 is equal 0. Okay, now this equation we get this, I can write it h squared and plus 4h minus 4h plus 2h and minus 8 is equal 0. And so this I take h out of factors, I get h minus 4. And this I take 2 out of factors, I get 2 and multiply h minus 4 equals 0. We see this, we have it h minus 4. So this I take it out of factors, so I get h minus 4 and multiply h and plus 2 is equal 0. So these two factors is equal 0, we get h minus 4 is equal 0 and h plus 2 is equal 0. So this we get h is equal 4 and this we get h is equal minus 2. So now we get the values of h, have h equal 4 and h equal minus 2. We can verify our equation. So this we get if h equal 4, we get 3 power 4 squares and equal 9 and powers 4 plus 4. And now this we get 3 powers 16 is equal, this equal 9 and power 8 and is equal 3 square of power 8 and 3 power 16 is equal 3 power 16. It's true. Okay, now we see this if h equal minus 2, h equal minus 2, so we get this 3 power minus 2 square and equal 9 and power minus 2 plus 4. And so this we get 3 power 4 is equal 9 squares and equal 3 square all squares and equals 3 power 4. It's true. Thus, our solution is h equal 4 and h equal minus 2 are our solution. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Goodbye.